Leveraging AI. Tools can help automate and enhance the process of creating YouTube videos. These tools can assist in video editing, scriptwriting, voiceovers, and more. Here's how to make money on YouTube using AI. Tools. Define your niche. Start by determining the niche of your channel. Popular niches include how-to guides, reviews, gaming, and vlogs. Your niche should align with your interest and expertise. Scriptwriting with AI. Tools like JasperDocs, Writesonic, and Copy.ai can assist in generating content or refining your scripts using AI. Voiceovers. If you don't want to use your voice, there are AI tools like Descript's Overdub, iSpeech, and WellSaid Labs that can generate realistic human voiceovers from text. Video creation. Lumen 5 and Magisto convert articles or text content into engaging video content using AI. They automatically choose appropriate video clips, images, and background music based on your content. Deepfakes. Although controversial, deepfake technology allows the synthesis of human-like videos. Tools like DeepArt can help in this, but always use deepfakes ethically and responsibly. Video editing. Magisto and Flixier offer AI-powered video editing to optimize scene transitions, effects, and more. Thumbnail creation. Use tools like Relay That or Canva's AI-based design suggestions to create compelling thumbnails. SEO optimization. TubeBuddy and vidIQ provide AI-assisted keyword suggestions, tags, and optimization tips to ensure your video reaches a wider audience. Audience engagement. Chatbots. Implement chatbots on your linked websites or in comments to engage with viewers. Tools like MobileMonkey or ManyChat can help. Monetization. Once you start gaining traction, monetize your channel through YouTube's partner program, affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, or by selling merchandise. Use AI tools like Affys or Volume for affiliate marketing optimization. Analyze performance. Tools integrated with YouTube Analytics, like TubeBuddy, offer deeper insights using AI. They can suggest the best times to post, which content is working, and areas of improvement. Stay updated. As with any technology, AI is constantly evolving. Keep an eye on new tools and platforms that can further automate and improve your YouTube video creation process. Ethical considerations. Always disclose to your audience if you're using deepfakes or AI-generated voiceovers.